I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. Unlock your iPhone and place it where you can see light differences, because auto brightness uses the ambient sensor. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This avoids buried menus. Make sure any display zoom or reader modes are off, since they can change perceived brightness. You're preparing the phone, so the auto brightness adjustments will be obvious and consistent when we enable and test the feature next. Now enable auto brightness and set a comfortable baseline. Inside Display and Text Size, toggle auto brightness on. Then move to Control Center or Settings, right arrow Display and Brightness, and set the manual brightness slider where you want the phone to aim under typical indoor lighting, because auto mode adjusts relative to that. Once done, expose the sensor to dim and bright areas. Watch the slider shift. If it reacts slowly, give it a few seconds. Sensor's smooth changes to avoid jitter. Finish by verifying related features. True Tone and Night Shift change color and brightness perception, so make sure they're set as you prefer. If auto brightness seems unresponsive, clean the sensor area near the front camera, remove any obstructing case or protector, and restart the phone. That fixes most sensor glitches. If problems persist, check accessibility contrast and reduce white point settings to improve comfort. Finally, test again in varied light to confirm the auto brightness. Now behave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.